We open it, and yes, the stars are credited. The balance updates immediately. Super fast and very impressive. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to buy Telegram stars in just a couple of minutes. Stars are officially in-app currency of Telegram. You can use them to buy stickers, customize channels, support creators, donate, and even promote your posts. If you have foreign bank card, you can buy stars directly inside Telegram. Let's quickly check the price there. I'm using the Turkish App Store, so the price shown in lira. About 1000 stars cost roughly $23. I actually asked ChatGPT where I could buy stars quickly and at a good rate, and it recommended a service called stars.claims. If you don't know, stars are Telegram's official internal currency. They work pretty much like coins or points. You can pay Telegram Premium, support your favorite creator, make an app purchase in mini apps, bots, and marketplaces, and of course buy everyone's favorite Durov gifts. Plus, you can send and receive stars from friends. So they really function as a convenient payment unit inside Telegram. Now let's head over to stars.claims. I'll leave the link in the comments. Using this service, you can buy any amount of stars quickly and at a good rate. No complicated schemes, no middlemen, no bank cards. The platform works officially with the Telegram stars. The minimum purchase here is $10 and the maximum is 1000. You just enter the amount you want, type your Telegram username, and pay in USDT or Toncoin. The website instantly sends stars straight into your Telegram account. No passwords, no logins, no bots. Completely safe. Although sometimes it can take up to 30 minutes, as it's stated by the service. Alright, let's make a purchase. I enter my username and pick the number of stars. I'm buying 800 stars, which is the minimum purchase for $10. The payment method is USDT on Tron, which is exactly what I need. Then I click Buy Stars. A wallet connection window pops up. I choose the Trust wallet, switch to the app, and confirm the connection. The domain is verified inside Trust wallet, so everything is legit. Confirm it, and go back to the browser, and wait for the load. After connection, we return to the wallet again to approve the transaction. Check the details, and hit confirm. Wait a few seconds, and the website redirects us back to the stars.claims. Now we just wait for the stars to arrive. And just like that, almost instantly a Telegram notification appears. We open it, and yes, the stars are credited. The balance updates immediately. Super fast and very impressive. If this video was helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment on your experience with this service. See you in the next video. I'll show you how to use stars to promote your channels and buy bots directly inside Telegram.